Hi everybody, this is Xenon the Fixer. Um, there's a lot of softwares and programs that you could use for video editing or screen capture on your computer. And one of my favorite ones that I use is Bandicam. As you can see in my desktop, on my mouse, what I'm pointing at, it says Bandicam. It's a very good software, but there's a problem with this software if you have a slow computer. Like, let me tell you, look at my video. When I'm talking, it kind of skips. That is the computer is not strong enough. So if your video, when you're screen capture, you're gaming or whatever you're doing, and your video is skipping like this, I'll show you how to fix that. Okay, so to fix this glitch video recording, so as you see, you can't see me no more, so I'm trying to show you how to fix this. So when you open up on Bandicam like this, the app look like this. What you do, they has the screen one. This is the newest Bandicam I'm using. The game recording mode and the HDMI. On this one, the screen recording mode, all you gotta do, just go to advanced, go to video recording settings, and then you add webcam overlaid. Now don't leave it in auto detect format. It's gonna lag a lot and I wouldn't recommend. For sure you don't want to use the 1920. I would recommend using 1280 or lower if you have an older model computer. But let me try to use the 640 x 480 screen size for my camera, so that it don't lag when you're recording yourself. So you just press this and then press OK and then OK, and let me record myself again if it works. As you can see, look, it records, it doesn't skip your words, doesn't lag. That should fix it. So like I was saying, just go on Bandicam, just go to advanced, video recording settings, and change the format, the lowest as you can. 640 I recommend if you have a slow computer, or 1280 times 720. I would recommend 1120 because you might have lags, or you might have a lot of stuff in your computer that you gotta delete, so you could boost your computer, or you might need a newer RAM. I'm using a 16 gig RAM, but my computer could go up to 32 gig RAM. Thanks for watching, and see you later. Oh yeah, you might need a graphic card too, a newer graphic card. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye.